Hi guys, so in this video we'll learn about how we can use Bokeh and how we can install it, and we'll create many charts in it. Okay, let's start. So Bokeh is a Python library to create graphs, and it's very easy to create graphs using Bokeh, and it will create an HTML page for you. Okay, let's start. So Bokeh directory is what I want to create. Okay, cute. And in it, I will create a notebook. So cute one dot ipynb, create a notebook, and let me select a kernel, that is UI. To install Bokeh, pip install Bokeh. Okay, I already have it, and that's you can see it here. I already have it, and let's import from Bokeh dot plotting, import figure, and show is to show the your graph, and figure is to create your figure. Okay. Once it's done, then you can, what you need to do is create an object. Okay, variable width, let's fix the width to 100, or 100 is gonna be very small, so let's give 500. Height 500. Okay, and let's create a line chart first. I have dot line, then add 1, 2, 3, maybe add some more. 4, okay, and this is the x, and I want the y values to be 6, 7, 8, 9, and I want line width to be 2. Okay, now to show you what I created, just so yeah, so you can see a line chart, right? And if you drag it, you can change, you can see it's dragging it, and this is a way how you can create a line chart. Okay, after that, now if you want to point out the points rather than showing it a line, I want to point out some points. Okay, to point out the points, what you need to do is create a fig, as what we did it above. So create a figure. Let's just copy it from our last. So wait, okay. Now f dot create a circle. Okay, for all the points that we wrote it above. Okay, and size must be 20, and color I want it to be black. Okay, and if you want to add, you can add more customization to it, like alpha, it's the density. Okay, so right now let's point out zero point 0.5. Okay, and show your figure. You see we got points. Okay, and they are black in color, and their density, so alpha is zero point 0.5, that's why they are like transparent somewhat. So if I add zero point 0.1, then you can see they are more transparent. So this is a way how you can add circle or point out the points. Okay, so instead of pointing out the circle, you can change the circle to star. Okay, so you see we got a stars. If you want to add another thing that is square, that's also possible. Okay, this is the way how you can add more type of things there. Okay, and you can check it out more on a bouquet. There are many things that you can add. You can add your image also. Okay, on each point. So I hope you liked it. See you in the next video.